over actually 4,000 staff in China, and in future, in this aspect, we have very positive and think that it's a promising market here because the challenge is that's good question. Pakistan actually has its own.
This is Shakilam. You're watching Wanhua Packaging. As you know, we discuss about the innovation, technology, equipment, and inks, pigment, adhesive. Now we conduct one of the biggest company in China. Wanhua is a chemical manufacture company. We discuss about the company and technology and solution. How are you?
Yeah, let's meet again.
Tell me about your name and your company.
Yeah, my name is Richard. I work for Wanhua. Wanhua is a global company. It's focused on actually the chemical material supplying all over the world. We start from the year 1978, and actually now half of our turnover comes from this market. So we have big portfolio covers from producing petrochemical, biochemical, and new materials. For polyurethane industry, we are the biggest supplier of the world. In MDI, we have market share over 30%. We are dedicated to provide high value, high quantity, and stable supply polyurethane materials over the world. Pakistan is a very important actually a target export country here. We have more than 10 years actually cooperating in Pakistan.
And what about the Pakistani people and customers for behavior, because they need to learn about the solution, and what about the challenge you face?
The challenge is that's good question. Pakistan actually has its own characters. For example, here we have actually the sulfur-free solutions with highest ratio over the world.
Yes,
that's very advanced. That's very close to Europe, and also for the pure ink reason, it's ester-based. It's not. It's ether-based. It's quite different from the other areas. So that's different requirement for the supplier. So we develop systems separately for the Pakistan market. So that's
what do you think about the future in Pakistan? What do you see?
In this aspect, we have very positive and think that it's a promising market here because Pakistan is very closely linked with China, and also the population here is going to 250,000 million. So
customers have challenge. Some have issues, some problems. You give the solution, or you sell the product?
It's always actually customer oriented. So based on our requirements from customer side, we are develop solutions and also provide in-time service. So that's why actually this time we take a big actually technical team here to support our customers in Pakistan. And yesterday we take the first actually the technical seminar in Karachi.
Yes.
So
one is biggest challenge worldwide for sustainable development or eco-friendly environmental.
Yeah.
Your product is sustainable development. What about eco-friendly?
Yeah. As a global company, we pay a lot of attention to actually the sustainability development. So this year, actually we are a member of the bodies.
Yes.
So this year, also we are get the panel member, and also we keep invest in the green energy to reduce our footprints, and also we are developed the 8th generation of MDI manufacturing, which actually contributes to the less energy consumption and also even actually output of energy.
It's important for the global because eco-friendly environmental sustainable development There's a need for green energy.
Exactly.
Green.
So have its own characters in culture and also in the industries.
You have R&D team. What about R&D?
Yeah,
They-
we have a big R&D team over actually 4,000 staff in China, and in future we will provide more actually projects to develop for Pakistan, and also we will also support a big technical service team to support the customer. We sell actually solutions,
Yeah.
products
Yeah.
in this market. So many actually is tailor-made. So we are coupled with actually the key accounts here in Pakistan. So
Okay.
actually we want to develop the high-tech products and also contribute value to the market.
Good luck for Pakistan.
Okay,
Thank you. Nice to meet
thank you.
We are WanhuaChemical, a global chemical company. From polyurethane to multiple advanced materials, we continue to break through technology process and promote upgrading of industry with innovation. With 5 R&D centers, 10 production bases, 17 branches, and business across 100 countries, we provide competitive products and integrated solutions for our customers worldwide. Upholding our commitment to sustainability, from empowering green chemistry and creating social value to abiding by governance standards, we promise to achieve carbon peak no later than 2030 and strive for carbon neutrality by 2048. From energy structural transformation and process optimization to industrial chain collaboration, we are actively building a circular ecosystem for realizing low carbon and high quality development. Guided by the mission of advancing chemistry, transforming lives, we, together with partners globally, are determined to delighting the way toward a sustainable future with the power of chemistry.